All right, guys, thanks again for joining us. Bambino Breaks, BambinoBreaks.com. We're doing a one-box rip of Pantheon football. 2 random teams per spot. Everybody that's in on the break is over here on the left. Doing 2 random teams per spot. So everyone that's in from Pooch 199 down to John R. Copy everybody's name. We'll take you guys over to the random. Paste you in twice because you get 2 teams per spot. As always, we go 9 times on the random. Good luck, everybody. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 times. We got Chris J on top and Keith B on the bottom. Bring you guys over to the football spreadsheet. And get you paste in there here. Cardinals down to Redskins. Paste everybody in. And make those names a little bit bigger. Looks good. All right, so those are your teams for the Pantheon football. Thanks again for getting in and filling it. Appreciate it, guys. You had 4 spots. There was only 2. Yeah, there was only 2 left. The 2 teams per spot. Yeah, we paste you guys in there twice. Yep, you get 2 random teams per spot. All right, so yep, those are your teams for the Pantheon football. One box rip. Good luck, everybody. Bambino. Auto focus on. Looks like we're good to go here. Lighting. All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. Let's see if we can get a monster out of this. One pack. Here we go. Oh, that's a good one on top. All right, let's go. Here we go. You guys might have heard of this guy. Just made it to the Hall of Fame. Going out to the Minnesota Vikings. Minnesota Vikings about to be inducted to the Hall of Fame. Going out to John R. John R. picking up that Randy Moss. Randy Moss milestone scripts autograph. Very nice for the Vikings. Let's put these here. Randy Moss milestone scripts. That one is nice. Number 5 out of 5. 5 of 5. Randy Moss autograph. Very nice. For the Vikings. Next up, this one's going out to the Jacksonville Jaguars. Jacksonville picking up that D.D. Westbrook. And Jaguars is William S. William S. picking up that D.D. Westbrook. Rookie jersey auto. And that one is number 6 out of 49. Number 6 of 49. D.D. Westbrook, rookie jersey auto. Going out to the Jags. Very nice. Next up, oh, we got a redemption. And this one is Tyler Eifert, milestone scripts. So that one would be for the Bengals. Milestone scripts, Tyler Eifert. Cincinnati Bengals. That's Jerry D. Jerry D picking up that Tyler Eifert rookie milestone scripts autographed card. And next up, a little throwback here. This one's going out to the Chiefs, Kansas City, and Len Dawson. Len Dawson, Kansas City, and that is Keith B. Keith B. with the Len Dawson game used Gladiator jersey. Very nice. And that one is numbered 3 out of 10. So number 3 of 10. Another low numbered card. Very nice. And also got another card for the Chiefs going out. Kansas City. Up next, this would be Patrick Mahomes jumbo patch. Kansas City Chiefs as well. And Keith B. Jumbo jersey there. Fresh and white, so he was obviously the backup riding the pine that day. Patrick Mahomes, Mammoth Materials, number 85 out of 99. Player worn material. The last one was game used, yeah. The Len Dawson is game used. The rookie ones are player worn. Here we go. Come on, Lenny. There you go, pal. Game used material for Len Dawson. That one was number 3 of 10. And nasty patch coming up. This one's going out to the Tennessee Titans. Tawan Taylor. Tennessee Titans. And that is Frankie G. Frankie G. Tawan Taylor. Nice 3-color jumbo patch. Tawan Taylor. I'll give you a recap, Raider. 16 out of 49. Yep, I'll recap them all, bro. Don't worry. Tawan Taylor. Three-color, very nice. And then that last one is that silver plate. It's almost like one of the printing plates. It's made of metal. And that one's going out to the Chargers. Chargers and John R. John R. with the Phillip Rivers. And these are numbered as well. And that one's number 48 of 50. So that one's numbered to 50 on that. For the Chargers. And yep, give you guys a quick recap. The last one before that was Tawan Taylor, 3-color patch. Rookie patch for the Titans, numbered out of 49. Then we had a redemption autograph for the, this one was going out to the Bengals, Tyler Eifert. Milestone Scripts redemption. Tyler Eifert autograph redemption. And we had the Chiefs. We had the Len Dawson. Len Dawson Gladiators game used jersey for the Chiefs. And that one was numbered 3 out of 10. So short print for sure. Only numbered to 10. Then there was the Patrick Mahomes. Patrick Mahomes rookie jersey jumbo. Also going out to the Chiefs. And that one was number 85 of 99. 85 of 99. And we had, before that was the D.D. Westbrook rookie jersey auto going out to Jacksonville. Jacksonville Jags and William S. Picking up that D.D. Westbrook. That's a nice one. And that one's numbered out of 49. Number 6 of 49. And the first card off the top. Number 5 of 5. 5 out of 5. Randy Moss. Autograph card. For the Vikings. Minnesota. And John R. So thanks again, guys, for getting in on that Pantheon football. Get that stuff shipped out to you as soon as possible. Thanks again, guys. Bambino, we're out.